Okay, so this is a big box. Hey, what's up guys? Soldier Knows Best here. So the folks over at Xiaomi sponsored this video, but they also sent me over this mystery box, and I really don't know what's inside of here. It could be anything because they make a lot of different products, but I do know that this is a part of their world record attempt to have the most people unbox at the same exact time, and they actually broke the world record. So out in New York City, they had over 700 people unboxing at the same time, which is pretty cool. But today I'm going to unbox this and see what's inside of here. So let's get right into it. Okay, so it does have two sides that have tape. I'm gonna go with this side. Okay, so let's see what we have in here. So first, looks like we have a bag of some sort. And so yeah, it looks like we have a bunch of things in here. So let me just get everything out and sit down and go over everything one by one. All right, so let's get into all the things that were inside of this box. First, starting with this doll toy. I don't know what this is all about, but it was in there. I'll find a kid to give that to. But anyway, let's see what else we have in here. Okay, so the first thing is the Mi Box S, and I actually covered this earlier in the video. And so this is a really good media box. So it does have Chromecast built in. It can support 4K Ultra HD and HDR. It has a quad-core CPU inside of here. It has Android TV too, so you have all of your popular apps inside of there, Netflix, all the good stuff, so you can watch your content. But yeah, it's a really good box. I'll leave a link down below to the video that goes in more detail for this. All right, so what's next? So the next thing is going to be the Mi wireless charging pad. So this is going to be 10 watts. So let me get this thing open and see how it looks. I didn't mean to hit the camera. Okay, so this feels like a hockey puck, and it's not as thick as a hockey puck, but it has the same type of feel and look to it. And I like the fact that on the top it does have a little bit of a grippy surface there. So sometimes when you put your phones flat on something like this and they start vibrating, sometimes they can slide off, but this should prevent that from happening. And on the back you do have a USB-C port, and this is running at 10 watts, so it will support most Qi wireless enabled devices. So yeah, here is the Mi wireless charging pad. All right, so let's keep moving on and get some of this bubble wrap off of here. Oh, okay. All right, this looks like a phone. All right, I wasn't expecting a phone in this box. Okay, so this is the Xiaomi Mi 9 Lite, and I don't know a lot about this phone, so I'm going to unbox it and learn just as you are learning about it. And I do know that this is not available for sale in the USA, as it says on the side of the box here, but you can always order it online if you just want to use it. But let's get inside. All right, so here is the phone, and I looked it up real quick, and this phone starts around $250, but it has some pretty decent specs. But one of those specs includes a triple camera setup, but the main camera is running 48 megapixels, which should be pretty good, especially if you're trying to blow up your photos. And this also has the Snapdragon 710 inside of it, 6 gigabytes of RAM, and also a battery coming in at 4,030 milliamps. And it also starts with 64 gigabytes of storage, and you can get higher, but you can also upgrade your storage with the micro SD card slot. And this also has a fingerprint scanner underneath the display. And I mean, look, for the specs, I'm actually thinking this is a pretty good price point, coming in at $250. And look, a lot of phones around this price point are getting better and better. So just from my initial first impressions of this phone, I like it. It doesn't feel cheap. And I know a lot of people are thinking that when you look at the price, but it actually is a solid feeling phone. So yeah, I'm gonna use this a little bit more, and maybe I'll take some pictures and I'll throw them up on my Instagram. So make sure you check that out. And now the last thing, and this is a bag. It is a backpack. And so on the front, it does say urban lifestyle. So this may be the particular model of this Mi backpack, and they may make others, which I'm guessing that they do. But I like the way this one looks. It has a nice kind of dark gray / black color here. And it's a very simple looking style, which I like. And it looks like we have a couple of pockets on the side. This one has kind of I think maybe like a waterproof lining in there, so maybe you put your water bottle, and if it spills, it shouldn't be too bad. And on the other side, we have a deeper pocket here, but it also has a dedicated pocket for your sunglasses. And then we have a pocket that does have a zipper on here. And then on the front, we do have another pocket here, which has a couple of smaller pockets, maybe good for putting like a portable battery. And then let's get to the main compartment. And so we have dedicated pockets for a laptop and also a tablet. I'm assuming the laptop pocket is not going to be more than 15 inches. And then also to, you have this Velcro strap here to secure those things down. And then you have a bunch of other different pockets in here to place things. So I like this color on the interior, and this is a very simple looking backpack. So yeah, it's for that type of city life. If you're trying to get around town, carry some things with you, I think this will be great. And speaking of getting around town, while I was filming this video, they also sent over their Mi electric scooter. So this thing can get up to around 15 miles per hour and has about 18 to 19 miles as far as the range. And yeah, it's a fun little scooter similar to the ones that you can rent out on the street, and it can fold up and it can get around town. So yeah, this is something else that was cool to check out. And so with that, that wraps up everything that was inside of the box. So again, shout out to Xiaomi for sending everything over, even this little guy. Again, I don't know what it is, but if you want it, I'll send it to you. Just let me know. But yeah, I'll leave a link down below so you can check out more information about all the products that you saw here today. And also make sure you to subscribe to this channel and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about this video. But like always, I do want to thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you later. Peace.